Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
This guide explains how to change the clock on a 2017 Subaru Impreza. Start with the vehicle stationary and in park for safety. Carry your key fob and ensure the ignition is on, but the engine can remain off. You will use the infotainment screen and the physical clock buttons on models without touchscreen. Gather any owner's manual if available for reference. Expect to spend about 10 to 15 minutes completing the clock update successfully. Press the home button, then select settings to access the clock options. On models with knobs, rotate the dial to highlight time and press enter. Use the touchscreen or the knob to select clock or set time from the menu. Tap hours, then rotate or tap to change the hour value to the correct number. Repeat for minutes until the display shows the proper time. After adjustments, confirm by pressing set or OK so the new time saves in the system. If the time resets repeatedly, check the vehicle battery and the key fob battery condition. For a weak key or battery issues, replace the battery and retry the clock setting process. If your Impreza has a manual clock with buttons, press and hold the clock or H/M buttons for about 15 seconds to enter adjust mode. Some infotainment layouts differ, so consult the owner's manual for your exact trim and radio. Finally, update time zone or daylight saving settings if needed to maintain accuracy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.